In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Minecraft server with Discord. Start by going to Discord and either select a Discord server you own or make one. Go to the side and select the Server Boosts option from the side. Scroll down and select the Game Servers option. Select Minecraft. Give your server a name, then expand the location menu and choose a location. You will typically want to use the option with the lowest ping. Choose a plan for your server. I'll be using Starter Plan, which costs 3 boosts. You can see the server information on the right, such as the amount of players the server can support. Select Enable Game Server. If you don't have enough boosts, then you will be asked to purchase the required boosts. Select View Game Server. Click the Join Game Server button, then read the Terms of Service and click the Agree and Continue button. You can see the steps to join the server here. I'll show you how to do it on Java. Click the Copy button to copy the server address. Load up Minecraft and select Multiplayer. Select Proceed if needed, then click the Add Server button. Enter the server name into the provided box, then paste the address into the server address box. Click Done. Select the server, then click the Join Server button. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.